Okay, here's a couple of small Nobby Opals from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted, and the white's the reflection from the lights. See the little colour bar poking through there. Comes through here, I think. That's what it looks like anyway. Just a little bit of clay on there. Second piece. Colour bar runs through here. I think with this it'll end up cutting it through there, end up with a oval stone there, probably 10 mils or so, 10-12 mil. Another small long stone over here, I think. But you get to that, see what happens when you start grinding it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.